Welcome to Plan and Practice channel. Today we will see CBSE Class 10 Surface Area and Volume Exercise 12.2. Question number 5. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. We have to first draw the diagram clearly. So we will draw a cone. What is given? The radius is 0.5. That is given. That is radius means here the radius of the lead shots. Lead shots will be it's just like a button shape, but it is in iron. That is lead shot. Lead shot will be just like round. So for that it will be just in the circle shape. So the radius of that lead shot is 0.5. The radius of cone is 5 cm. Height of the cone is 8 cm. That is given. So let the number of shots be n. Now we know that n into volume of lead shots will be equal to 1/4 into volume of cone. That is given. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 cm, when the lead shots are dropped in the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. So if you are going to drop, for example, 2 lead shots, then 2 into volume of that lead shot will be equal to 1/4 of the volume of the cone. So that n only we are going to find. So if we are going to drop n lead shots, then n into volume of lead shots will be equal to 1/4 into volume of the cone. This we have to understand for this problem. So how many lead shots we are going to find now? That we are going to take it as n. Let the number of lead shots be n. n into volume of lead shots will be equal to 1/4 volume of the cone. So now we have to know the volume of lead shots. Volume of lead shots is 4/3 pi r cube and volume of cone is pi r square h. Now we have to substitute the value here. N into 4/3 pi r cube. So the lead shot is just like a circular shape. It is a sphere. It is not circle. It is a sphere. So volume of lead shot will be equal to, we have to take the volume of the sphere formula. So n into 4/3 pi r cube will be equal to 1/4 into 1/3 pi r square h. And we have to note that the radius of the lead shot is small r and the radius of the cone is capital R. So all that has to be noted and we have to substitute the value here. So now we substitute n into 4 into 0.5 cube equal to 1/4 5 square into 8. So n into 0.5 equal to 50. So n is equal to 100. The number of lead shots dropped in the vessel is, they will be 100. 100 is the solution for this question. So when 100 sphere are dropped, 100 lead shots are dropped in the water, 1 by 4 volume of water goes away. That is the meaning as discussed and said in the problem. So answer for this is the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel is equal to 100. For the problems for this exercise, surface area and volume, CBSE class 10, you can go through my YouTube channel playlist. I have given all the problems. You can practice them. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Thank you.